Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to save Google Docs as PDF in mobile. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are foreign to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to open up your Google Docs. I'm going to click on here to open my Docs. Having opened up your docs, then select the document that you want to export or save as PDF. So I'm going to use a template right here. Then having selected the template, so I'm going to simply click on these three dots from the top. Take me right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to simply scroll down and click on export and share. It's open up like so. Next thing we want to do is to go to save as. Open up like so. Next thing we want to do is to simply save as PDF. So having choose PDF, next thing you want to do is to simply click on OK. Saving. You can see successfully saved as PDF. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to save docs as PDF in mobile. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.